Welcome back to the show, everybody. James Rule is here, and I want you to stay until the end of this video. I repeat, I want you to stay until this end of this video because there is a petition going out that everybody in this community needs to sign. There is a link in the description of this video. If you do not sign this petition, you're going to miss out, people. And your voice will not be heard. But anyway, follow me on X. We're going to take a look at news, and we're going to get started with one of my paid sponsors. If you are looking for a free broker to hold your hand when it comes to investing in crypto and precious metals and all that good stuff, you need to sign up with Caleb and Brown. If you want to sell a position, if you want to buy a position, if you want to trade a position, there is an app where you can contact your broker 24/7, 365 at Caleb and Brown. Sign up today. I have an account with them. They have institutional grade custody. They are excellent. And tell them James Rule XRP sent you by. All right, crypto numbers are back to 2.48 trillion. Bitcoin's over 70,000. Ethereum's over 20,000. XRP is back to $1.40, baby. Back up the damn truck and take care of your families and stop bitching and moaning. All right, here is the positive news. 3/11/2026, MasterCard launches new crypto partner program. And guess who all is included, people? Global initiative brings together more than 85 industry leaders, ensuring that what's next works with what already does, people. Chainlink, the chains, the blockchain. I didn't mean Chainlink, but the blockchain. It talks about all of these different corporations working together, and MasterCard being a crypto partner. And I scrolled through, and here is MoonPay is part of it. I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out. And it's probably copyrighted, but you're going to recognize Nexo. You're going to recognize all of these different ones. Paxos, let's see, Paymentology, PayPal, People's Plume, Polygon. I mean, there's about 80 something. Ripple, there it is. There's Ripple. MasterCard Crypto Partner Program. And what do we talk about when we talk about Ripple? We talk about XRP. We talk about RLUSD. We talk about yield on RLUSD. We talk about stablecoins, XRP, the token. And I tell you what, some amazing things are happening, people. Let's keep going. I mentioned this morning. Ripple is acquiring BC Payments Australia to secure a financial services license, unlocking end-to-end control over cross-border payments across APAC. Ripple now has over 75 regulatory licenses worldwide, and they have most of the states in the United States, people. Do you see where we're going with this? Taylor Barr with the Digital Chamber. We are officially 1 week away from the Digital Chamber's 2026 DC Blockchain Summit. Members of Congress, financial regulators, and leaders from across the digital asset ecosystem will be under one roof discussing the biggest policy questions facing our industry. And if I click on it here, you're going to see Paul Atkins with the SEC, Chairman Tim Scott, Michael Seelig with the CFTC, Cynthia Lummis, Kirsten Gillibrand, House Majority Whip Tom Emmer, Angela Also Brooks, Chairman Brian Steele, Bill Haggerty, Patrick Witt, Laurie Chavez Demare, and Jonathan Gould. And if I'm not mistaken, wasn't it Also Brooks that was talking about deposit flight 3 times with the banks going to stablecoin yields? Things that make you go, Well, another damn scammer hit my text message today, and I don't have a Robinhood account, you dumbasses. It came from this 213 area code. It says, Robinhood alert. A login attempt was made from Athens, Greece. Your OTP is this number. If it wasn't you, contact us now at 1-888. No, it's a fucking scam, people. It's a fucking scam. If you get a Coinbase text message, if you get a Robinhood, an Amazon, an eBay, your bank, some stupid ass Social Security, FedEx, whatever, delete everything. Delete all the emails. They're trying to tempt you into doing something that you are going to hate that you did it if you do it, people. Delete everything. Trust no one. So Paul Barron gets out what I was talking about earlier. Banks anti-yield summit. Clarity collapses after bankers storm DC. And the bankers are scared shitless. They're full of shit. They're fearful. Paul Barron had a great presentation. I tagged the American Bankers Association, all the idiots out there that are having a panic attack. And I'm going to play a small portion of this clip. Have a listen.
Another clip, because this is where they elude that they're using the OCC. Take a look.
Stablecoin issuers can't pay interest or yield.
And this is the one issue that we care about at ABA.
And so we've also been, I think, supportive of the direction the OCC's regulations are going. They're just proposed.
Yeah, and they are just having a fit. You cannot give yield on stablecoins. It's going to hurt the bank deposits. Everybody's going to, you know what? I hope everyone and their mom and children and dog, cat, horse, family, cat, whatever, go into crypto and pull their freaking money out of the banks and put it in stablecoins and make the banks cry more. I hope that happens. Now, Paul Barron, this is what I wanted to mention. This is a petition that I want you to sign right now. People, do your part now. Defend the American right to earn a fair return on savings. 5% on stable coins or 0.01% at your bank. It is your choice. This change.org petition was created by Paul Barron. Stop banks from banning my stablecoin yields. I signed it. I contributed to it. It goes over the issue. It says, thank you for supporting Paul Barron. It says the bank lobby is moving through the Clarity Act to kill your right to earn yield. Why? Because they can't compete with 5% stablecoin returns while they offer you 0.01% in your legacy savings account. And I've said this time and time again over the past week. My bank is pissed off because I only have a little bit of money in there to cover bills because they don't have a lot of my money to loan out to somebody else. I only have enough for my bills. And if they're loaning out that little bit I have in there, shame on them. They can all kiss my ass. So anyway, I'm fired up. The banks need to back the F up. And we need to win this Clarity Act, and I need you to sign the petition below. Subscribe to my channel, share my channel, like the videos so the algorithm will get out to thousands upon thousands of people. And don't forget, people, I told you so.